This is the daily weather briefing for South Texas for Thursday, August 28th, 2014. I'm meteorologist Rob Hart, and today's briefing is primarily going to focus on an area of disturbed weather currently located off the lower Texas coast. Now, we will take a look at the rip current risk for today, as well as some expected tide levels along the middle Texas coast. But first, the tropical outlook overview as of about 8 o'clock this morning. An elongated area of low pressure was centered approximately 50 miles to the east of South Padre Island. Now, no development risk of significance is expected with this area of low pressure for a couple of reasons. First, there is still some marginal to moderate wind shear aloft, which is preventing some further development from the system, and the system is expected to move closer to land, which will also inhibit any significant development. However, we are expecting some showers and thunderstorms to impact the middle Texas coast today, and the rip current risk will become quite dangerous for the Gulf-facing beaches, not only for today, but possibly into tomorrow as well, as some rip currents are developing due to increasing swell. Now, the radar imagery from this morning indicated showers and thunderstorms located across the western Gulf. And this activity is expected to develop inland today, with the greatest chances along the coastal counties, where we're calling for about a 50 to 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Those chances drop off the farther inland you go, however, as you get into some drier air and away from the area of low pressure. About a 30 to 40% chance of a scattering of showers and thunderstorms across the eastern brush country, and only isolated 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms across the western brush country and along the Rio Grande. A mix of sun and clouds can be expected today, with afternoon highs the coolest, relatively speaking, across the coastal plains of Victoria area, and hottest along the Rio Grande. Again, if you're heading to area beaches today, the rip current risk will be high, and some of the most dangerous rip currents we have experienced all summer can be expected today. Numerous showers and thunderstorms again are likely, with highs around 90, and an east wind around 10 to 15 miles per hour is aiding in that rip current development. Again, no tropical development of significance is expected. However, rainfall amounts of 1/2 to 1 inch are expected across much of the area, though locally higher amounts will be possible due to the slow movement of the activity. And again, the greatest chances of rain are along the coast. Tide values due to the incoming swell are running about 1 foot above forecast levels. We're not expecting any significant coastal flooding at this time, or even minor coastal flooding, but again, tide levels are running about 1 foot above normal, and again, the rip current risk remains high. Don't forget, for the very latest weather information, you can check out our webpage at weather.gov/Corpus Christi, and for the latest from the National Hurricane Center, check out hurricanes.gov.